Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, March the 14th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the 4 stars tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And you are not interested in that puzzle, but in this one. Yes, it's binary time. Binary time. And this one will be number 6115. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no, between two O's comes an 1. Then, between two O's comes an 1. And now, we need to think. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one, double one, here no, there no. Let me think. Well, interesting. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place number 4, the 4th O there, then we still have 3 ones in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright. Okay. Think. Come on, we have not completed columns, only 1 row. And this one is almost the same as the one above. Look to the, well, if I compare, alright. O, empty box, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, O, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. It's not helping me with this one, but look to this here. This is almost the same here also, in this one. So I need to switch here and switch there. Well, O and a 1 there. O and a 1. Come on, 10, 10. We have a 10, 10 here. Oh, 1. This row. And that row. Alright. 1, 1. 1, 1. Empty box. Empty box 1, 1, 0, 0. Need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Alright. Well, how about this this row and that row? 1 1 empty box. 1 1 1 1 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 2 3 1 2 3. Here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3. Yeah, and now. Complicated. Compare again. 101. Well. Oh, almost the same. 1 1. Wait. Oh, 1 1. Yeah. This row, a lot of comparing in, this column and that column. Empty box, 1 1 1 1 1 1, empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. And now. We have a double 1 here, no. We have a double O here, no. Cannot complete the rows, so it must be the columns here. Must be the columns. Double O, yeah. This column and the first column. Empty box, 1 1 1 empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 O, so the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 1, so the rest are O's. Finish in 7 minutes. Well, a lot of comparing. But we solved it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.